Hi everyone, Kit 1. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, there will be a video that goes up before this that is called Spring Kit's announcement video or something like that. This is Kit 1. I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to use the products inside it in case it's not glaringly obvious. I will be online mainly on Instagram because I can go live really easily there. I will be on live on Instagram all through the weekend and probably a lot of next week. I have a couple of brilliant guest appearances on other people's Instagram lives coming up next week. If you did not see the previous video, I just want you to know that I'm obviously at home, quarantined. This is a bedroom that we've had to turn upside down. That is a handbag on the bed, my humidifier. We're pulling out all the stops. I'm barefaced. My going grey hair is in a bun because when I go live on Insta, I talk about skincare products and I use them on my face and demo. So that is why I might be scaring small children. Kit 1. This kit is for you. Just again, a very brief overview. If you are perhaps breaking out, if your skin is breaking out through lockdown, or if you have normal to combination skin, you could buy this kit if you are dehydrated. It will suit any age, any gender. It depends entirely. I would shop both kits as what am I missing? What do I need? What are my key concerns with my skin? So for this, you're going to have something for dehydration, you're going to have a vitamin C, you're going to have an SPF. So if you want to build a whole routine from scratch, you're probably a Kit 1 person. If, however, you are slightly older, you will prefer Kit 2. I'm not saying that's going to be better for you, I'm just saying that's probably what you will prefer. But Kit 1, let's crack on. Looks like this. This is worth, I have to have the notes, there's a lot going on this week and things are changing like this because of COVID-19. This is worth £354. It is going on sale for £160. It's around a 55-ish% discount. It contains 2 limited edition products that you will only be able to find, enunciate, in this kit. Just turning my phone over. Why do people call you when they know you've told them you're filming? First up is this. Thrilled does not come close. Jordan Samuel. If you are one of the freaks, you all know this very well. I won't insult your intelligence. But the After Show Treatment Cleanser for sensitive skin is my favourite cleanser from his range. It's hard to go wrong. It suits all skin types, especially sensitive. It's fragrance free. A lot of you ask for that in a cleanser. It removes makeup, it removes SPF. It also works as a second cleanse if you just want to do a quick splash. Men love it. I'm loath to say that because I know it gets nicked. If you're anything like my hubby, Jim loves Jordan Samuel's cleansers. They just do the job. He has made this limited edition yellow version just for these kits. Thank you, Jordan. You apply this as you would any other cleanser. Onto dry fingers, massage through. You can emulsify it a little bit if you want to. I just prefer to take it off with a warm flannel, as always. There are no contraindications for anyone with this product. Contraindications, do you like that? It's a very technical esthetician word. Dr. Dennis Gross, Alpha Beta Ultra Gentle Daily Peel. A full-size box of these, thank you very much. Like I said in the announcement video, when brands like DDG, as he's known, say, yeah, of course we'll be in your kit, I do a big like inhale of breath, like, really? It still astounds me. I don't take it for granted, so thank you so much, Dr. Gross. These are the, I have 2 favourites. I have the gentle, they're my favourites, and I like the extra strength. I swing between both. These I've been using more because when I'm retinoling, I don't really want to push too much glycolic, and these are glycolic free. There are 2 pads in here, very clearly labelled, pad 1, pad 2. You tear the foil, pull it all over the face after you've cleansed, spin over, go again. Leave it 2 to 3 minutes. They say 2 minutes, but you can potter around. You have time to put the kettle on and fill the tea bag. It's not quite brewed though. And then you go in with pad 2, all down the face, spin it over and go again. Pad 1 is your acid, and that's the exfoliating part. And pad 2 basically communicates to your skin that it's now been stripped back and it's lovely and exfoliated with the acid, and it pumps it full of actives. It's a glorious, well, the whole franchise is amazing. These are suitable for all skin types. No one is contraindicated. If you have perhaps broken skin, will always be irritated by acne, by acid. I was going to say if you have acne, they will sting. However, they are designed to be used for people with acneic skin. So you can watch my video with Dr. Gross if you want more info. You're safe to use these in pregnancy. You're golden. Yeah, dewy, smooth, calmed skin and immediate radiance. Thanks. Okay. Along with Dr. Gross, there is another brand where you're like, really? Really? Sunday Riley. Now, this eye cream, autocorrect, I used not exclusively last year because I do like to play with eye creams, but by far this was my most used eye product. Let me see if I can get it open without trashing the joint. Hang on. There. Looks like this. By the way, this is my vlogging camera. We are doing what we can with what we have. It says to use a pump. I would use half a pump, and you can gauge how much comes out. It is a no-brainer. Half a pump onto. Now everyone says, "Oh, do your ring finger and do this." Sorry, put it on your ring finger by all means. Brush it across these 3 fingers. These 2 are too small. Brush it across these 3 fingers. Go on and massage it round. It is an eye cream. You use it on your lid and underneath. That is all part of your eye. The reason I put this in this kit is because this is the one with SPF in. So I was thinking, well, out of the 2 eye creams we have, this one is designed to make you look a bit brighter and to take down puffiness. And when do you need that? You need that during the day when you're out and about. It has instant gratification. So when you put this on, your eyes go ping. And then the depuffing is helpful if you can. God knows I need it. So Sunday Riley, again, amazing products, amazing brand. Thank you so much. Like, it's amazing. Now then, when this came through, I went to the brand and said, oh, I definitely want that product. Can I please have it? I do say please to some people. I don't say please to Pixie. I just shout at them and go, give me this. But when I went to this brand and I said, right, spring kit, you in? And they were like, yeah, what do you want? So I told them and they went, well, actually, we're about to make a travel size of that. It's still a full-size product. I think it retails for like 30, 34 pounds. The full size, I believe, is 60. I could be speaking out of turn, and I'm talking pounds, obviously, not international money. And they said, would you like us to personalise it for you? And I was like, I'm sorry, what? So Oskia Super C capsules. Smart Nutrient Beauty capsules. If you have not used these, you're in for a treat. Not only are you in for a treat, but they've got my logo on. If I move, you might be able to see it. There you go. So this is 30 capsules. The capsules are biodegradable. I actually showed how to use these and showed the glow that you get on Insta, and that will be up after this now because my Insta Live turns my Insta Live turns into an IGTV, and then I upload it here just so you can have it. And I did demo it, and people were like, you're glowing. I was like, I know, thank you so much. So vitamin C, these are suitable for all skin types. It's an oil-based vitamin C. It also has vitamin E and amino acids. It's an amazing, I think this is potentially my favourite vitamin C ever. I'm trying to think if I can think of one I like more. No, certainly not now. So let's just say it's definitely my favourite current, potentially my favourite vitamin C of all time. And it's personalised, look. So what you can do, yeah, there we go. Oh, look, ta-da! So what you can do is you have the full size, which I obviously have because I'm a freak, which is this one, and you can just fill it up when you go travelling. Amazing. You can use these AM and PM. You can use them AM after you've cleansed, done your acid. I always do eye cream first, but my eyes are an area of concern. If you want to do your vitamin C and take your vitamin C up to the eye, you absolutely can. Thank you, Oskia. You know I love you though. You know I love you. Okay, 3 left. Now, dehydration. Key. And most skins at the moment, I promise you, are dehydrated. Whether you are dehydrated and that pushes you towards more of a spotty combination skin, or you're dehydrated and it pushes you more to a drier skin, this will help. Neod, MMHC. So if you've ever been in the groups and seen us talk about MMHC, I'm just going to see if we can focus. If I get my eye out of the way, it might work. MMHC is multimolecular hyaluronic complex. This is it my? I think this is also my favourite NIOD product. I'm trying to think. If the freaks were in the room, they would be like, yeah, you love this too. But from memory, oh, I do love the copper peptides too. But this is an amazing hyaluronic acid. It has 15 different compounds of hyaluronic acid. It's super lightweight. It absorbs instantly. There is no one that is contraindicated from using this. You can all use it. Use it with abandon. Now then, I have 2 left. I put the SPF in this one, which I'll show you in a minute, because when I thought, well, if this is a sort of, originally we thought, well, if we have like a smaller kit and we do 4 and 4, and we could do an AM and a PM. Then brands wanted to join, and I've explained all this in the announcement video, and we had all brands going, well, we will be in the kit and we'll give you this. So then we thought, okay, well, we can't do an AM and a PM, because I don't want people to think I'm advocating you buying both kits and that you need 13 products. I know some of you will. I would have done if it was me, but then I am that way inclined, as you know all too well. But if you, I put the SPF in this one because the other one I think you will be more inclined to buy if you are slightly older and drier, or for nighttime. And it's just the way they turned out. There's no rules with these products. They can all be used as you want to use them. Obviously you don't use an SPF at night, but I wanted a nice, light, yet nourishing day cream to go under the SPF. Bearing in mind, this SPF is still a moisturiser. It's an anti-aging moisturiser, so you will get moisturisation from this. And you might find, I've taken it out so I can show you, but you might find you don't need the Ren. So Ren is your moisturiser for this kit. Medicaid is your SPF. I'm going to touch on the Ren first. Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. This is their new updated version. Nourishes and comforts skin discomfort. Now, the reason this is in this kit is weirdly, I thought nothing, this is way before Corona, don't bear in mind. These kits have been in planning since November 2019. So Corona, we had never heard of it. The reason I went for this is everyone I recommend it to loves it. It's affordable for if you want to repurchase it afterwards. There is hardly anyone who cannot use this cream. It is suitable for sensitive skins. And as we know, when you are, I was thinking, well, if people are coming out of winter and we're going into spring, it would be really nice to have something that offers protection for the elements. Little did I know at the time that the elements would be central heating and being stuck in a house and being dehydrated and the air just not being as good as it should be. So if you are finding that you need a moisturiser, I don't use SPF if I'm in the house during the day, because the way our house is set up, we barely get any daylight. And I know people will say, well, it reflects off of this and you have the windows. I don't sit in the window. It's not the way our house is set up. We live in a very old London house. We have 2 stories, and we are literally kind of like north facing all day. So, but if I'm going out, I will apply the SPF. Now, you may be able, depending on your skin type, you may be able to get away with only wearing the Medicaid. Just put that there for you. I will give you more details on this in a minute. However, if you're really dehydrated, I would recommend going in with the NIOD, a little bit of the Ren, and then when you're going out, obviously, your SPF. Now, Medicaid, Advanced Day Total Protect Anti-Aging Moisturiser, SPF 30, 5-star UVA. Medicaid were one of the first brands I pulled in for this kit because I wanted an SPF. We didn't have an SPF last time. I wanted an SPF. I wanted one that travelled well, i.e. Medicaid is sold in most countries worldwide. I wanted one that was fully based on science. There will be, in the ebook, I would highly encourage you to go and just click on the link, and the links will take you direct to the brand's websites or social media channels. They are so much more than an SPF, Medicaid, as a brand. They are based on vitamin A, vitamin C, and SPF. Their entire line, I mean, they do other products, they do cleansers and they do toners and things like that, but their whole ethos is protect and restore. Their products are amazing. So I would highly recommend you go and play on the Medicaid website. Also for the education aspect, because they will tell you how their the SPF filters that they use, how they are at the forefront of science, how they've tried to make everything coral safe. It's just a lot of info. So, like I said, you might find you are good to go with the Ren during the day if you're pottering around the house. You might find if you are going out exercising, in the UK we get an hour a day. I'm not gonna lie, I don't go for a jog. You might find you wanna just have a cleanse, put your Medicaid on, come back, do a proper cleanse, etc., and then redo your routine. Entirely your call. There is no one who is contraindicated from using this. So, quick recap. Jordan Samuel, limited edition, beautiful yellow. This is the exact yellow Pantone of my blog logo. As is, if I can get it out again, because why did I put it away? As is the Oskia. So these two are limited edition, exclusive to this kit. Thanks, JS. Dr. Dennis Gross, suitable for anyone, suitable for pregnancy, suitable for acne. If you have really bad rosacea or psoriasis, that tends to be isolated. I would try and use it in other areas. And again, watch the video that I made with Dr. Dennis Gross, because he goes into why everyone can use an acid. You're not contraindicated at all. It goes without saying, guys, and I'm trusting you to use your brains, but it goes without saying, if you have an allergy, if you have a reaction to, if you have a known allergy to any of the ingredients, that's different. Sunday Riley autocorrect, my favourite eye cream of last year. Depuffs, brightens the eyes, makes you look like you did get sleep. Oskia vitamin C, personalised. Limited edition, this is the 30-piece travel pack. Cannot praise this vitamin C enough. If you are someone who's previously found vitamin C's to be really irritating, I promise you, try one of these. You will be convinced otherwise. It's in a super soothing, beautiful, natural oil base. Love it. Neod, MMHC. Not enough good things to say about this brand. Oh, actually, the technical name is MMHC2, because this is the second one, which I also love. I love that when they update it, they let you know. There are so many brands out there. I could name 5 off the top of my head. Major products, and when they've revamped the product, i.e. completely reformulated it, I've worked for brands where people have emailed and said, I've used your product for years and now I'm suddenly breaking out, is there a reason? And the brands would say no. That's not good practice. This literally says MMHC2. Gives you a version 38.003. 15 types of hyaluronic acid. Amazing, just a brilliant hydrator. Not heavy, not cloying. I don't have any problems. Some hyaluronic acids break me out. This is not one of them. What can you say? Ren, brilliant, efficacious, does what it says on the tin. Again, another brand that uses its brain and doesn't just harp on about nonsense, although it wouldn't be very me if a brand like that was in this kit, would it? Global Protection Day Cream, the Evercalm range as a whole is a great range to look into if you are also looking for other bits and pieces for your routine or for a loved one's routine to get you through the COVID situation. I don't mean if you have it, I mean if you are stuck at home and your skin is breaking out. I'm not giving medical advice on what you do if you have COVID. And then Medicaid, spectacular scientific brand. Contains pollution shield, anti-AGE technology, and anti-infrared and blue light. Go onto Medicaid's website, have a good read. Everything will be linked below. This kit, again, making sure I'm right here, is worth £354. We are selling it for £160. Any questions? I will try and be online below. You'll find me somewhere online. This weekend in particular, I will be all over the gaff. I'm going to go and do kit 2.